Hello, in this video we're going to see how we can create the purchase event and how we can track it. So first of all, you have to go on Google goals and just click on conversion and then click on summary, and after that click on create conversion action, and after that you have just click on conversion on website. Just mark this option and click on save and continue, and then click on purchase, click on manual with the code, and here you have to just add the purchase conversion name, and in the count you have to click on every count. Basically it's an e-commerce store, so you have to click on every option there. And for the click through conversion window you have to select it to there is a different, but you have to click on 90 days, so it can store the data of conversion record of last 90 days. So just click on done and click on save and continue. Here we have three options: set up with the Google tag, email instructions, and use Google Tag Manager. So we can go with the Google Tag Manager. Here we have a conversion ID and conversion label. So here you have to just leave this window as it is, and we will go into Google Tag Manager, where you have to click on tags and click on new configure. Here you have to go the Google Ads, click on conversion track. Here, what you need to do is you have to add the conversion ID. Conversion ID is available while creating the purchase event. Just paste there, just create the tag, just save it, and then you have to create the conversion label. Here we have conversion label, and then we have a conversion value. For the conversion value, transaction ID and currency code, what we need to do is duplicate this, and what you need to do is click on preview, click on connect. Here basically you have to just make a purchase of your product. So once it will be open, we will what we need to do is we can make a purchase of our product. I have created the product in Google Ads. Basically it's a dummy product for the video purpose, and you have to just click on add to cart. I have just added one product there, so that's why it's showing just one product. So after the add to cart you have to click on view cart. After the view cart, just click on proceed to checkout, and here you have to enter all the details while placing the order and click on place order. Here your order is received. So we are now on order received page. Our order is confirmed. So what we need to do is just close this, click on continue. Here is our purchase event. This is our purchase event and this is the data layer. What we need to do is we need to copy this, and we need these three things: value, currency, and the transaction ID. First of all, we will copy the event model and go there, paste event model and click. Rather than doing this, you have to go there, just close this, click on plus, then click on plus and configure the data variable. Basically it's a data layer variable, and here you have to enter the event dot model and event dot model and click value basically. So click on dot and add the value. You can just name this variable and click on save. So edit. Now we add the transaction ID. Again we can click on this button. Now click on plus and then click on variable configuration and click on data layer. Here what we need is again event model dot. Now we need a transaction ID, and we can name this variable click on save, and here it's automatically fetched. Now the last thing is currency code. Click on that, click on plus button, configuration, again data layer. Here what we do is we can just copy event dot, and after that this is the currency, and what we need to do is just this and click on save button. And now we added the label, conversion value, transaction ID and currency code. And now what we need to do is click on trigger, click on that trigger configuration, and you have to enter the custom. What you need to do is you can copy this event name and paste it there, and also paste it there and click on save. Almost our this is ready. What we need is Google Ads purchase. This conversion is live. Go back to this and click on finish. Here what you see is this is a misconfigured right now because this event is not active right now because we did not make any purchase after creating this. So what we need to do is first of all submit all the changes. Just click on purchase all the stuff we did and click on publish. Now what you need to do is click on workspace, click on preview. Here you have to add your domain, click on connect. Here what you need to do is you can make again purchase, click on your product, basically click on add to cart, click on view cart, and then you have to proceed the checkout, and you have to enter the data again and click on place the order. Now your order is placed. Your on order received page is this. Sometimes it is a thank you page, or sometimes it's a payment page, or sometimes it's a order received page. So what you need to do is you have to just close this and click on continue. Here you have created this purchase event and it's fired successfully. So what you need to do is just click on that, and the firing status is succeeded, and show more. The conversion value, this is our conversion value. We have settled this through this data layer. This is event model and conversion value, and then this is our conversion ID. While creating our purchase event, we have just copy this, and after that this is our currency, event model dot currency, and this is our conversion label. So the firing triggers, event purchase, everything is working fine. And what you need to do is just refresh this page and see is this active or not. Now this event that we have created is active successfully. No recent conversion because we have not created any campaign for this event, so that's why it's no recent conversion for that. So that's it. If you have any issue, can uh, do the comment, and if you need the service for the Google Ads and Google Audit, you can just comment and you can just approach me through the WhatsApp. I will help you in that. So just like and subscribe my channel for more videos related to the Google Ads and Google tracking and all these stuff for the Google. Thank you so much.